Discuss the transformation method in the bacteria, where the bacteria take the gene from the environment, and this method is comes into the horizontal gene transfer method. This method was firstly discovered by the Griffith scientists in 1928 in the bacterial species Streptococcus pneumoniae. So that transformation occur in a bacteria naturally and also artificially. First we discuss the natural competent cell. It means that the cells which take the DNA from the environment, and these cells is known as competent cells. So these transformation naturally occur in a Streptococcus pneumoniae, Haemophilus influenza, and the Bacillus subtilis. These are three bacteria in which the natural competence will occur. So the mechanism of it, whatever the bacterial cells, this is the bacterial cells, and the DNA, foreign DNA present on environment, it get comes and bind on the surface of the bacterial cells. After that, the one strand of the DNA is get completely destroyed, and the one strand get enter into the bacterial cells. Once it get come in the bacterial cells, that strand it get coated by the single stranded binding protein and the RAC-A protein. After that DNA or whatever the foreign DNA, it get incorporate into the bacterial genome. So this is transformation method in a natural competence cells, and it is sensitive to the DNase, which is the enzyme which degrade or cut down the DNA, foreign DNA in the cells. Next is artificial method. In that, the artificially, so we take the lots of bacterial cells and adding the structural gene into it. By after that we perform the electroporation or heating thermal method. In that case, due to heating or electroporation, whatever the bacterial cell was, there are pore formation. It means the pore are formed in the bacterial cells, and after formation of pore, that DNA get easily enter into the cell. But the success rate of this method is too much low. From the thousand of the cell, only one cell will be transferred DNA into it.